Guess the country from its famous food dishes. Welcome to Quiz Kid. We'll show you a famous dish and you have to guess which country it's from. Let's play. Pizza Margarita. Italy. Pizza Margarita was first created in Naples in 1889 to honor Queen Margarita of Savoy. Its toppings of tomato, mozzarella, and basil were chosen to represent the colors of the Italian flag. Sushi. Japan. Sushi originated in Japan as a method of preserving fish in fermented rice centuries ago. Over time, it evolved into a refined culinary art with fresh fish and vinegared rice. Today, sushi is celebrated worldwide as a symbol of Japanese cuisine and culture. Paella. Spain. Paella originates from Valencia, Spain, and is considered the region's signature dish. It is traditionally made with rice, saffron, and a mix of seafood, meat, or vegetables. Croissant. France. The croissant rose to prominence in France during the 19th century, becoming a symbol of French pastry culture. Its flaky, buttery layers are perfected through the art of viennoiserie baking. Today it is enjoyed worldwide as a classic breakfast and cafe favorite. Tacos. Mexico. The Aztecs are believed to have been the first to enjoy tacos, often filled with small fish. This early form of the dish dates back to the 16th century in the Valley of Mexico. Tacos have since evolved into one of the most popular and versatile foods worldwide. Curry. India. Curry is not a single dish, but a diverse range of spice sauces and stews originating from India. It varies widely by region, ingredients, and cooking traditions. Falafel. Egypt. Falafel, made from ground chickpeas or fava beans, has been enjoyed for over 1,000 years. It is believed to have originated in the Middle East, possibly in Egypt. Today, falafel is a popular street food and vegetarian staple worldwide. Peking duck. China. Peking duck originated as a royal dish during China's Yuan dynasty in the 13th century. It is renowned for its perfectly roasted, crispy skin and tender meat. Today, it remains one of China's most famous and celebrated culinary traditions. Kimchi. South Korea. Kimchi has been a staple of Korean cuisine for over 2,000 years, deeply rooted in tradition. Made from fermented vegetables, usually Napa cabbage and radish, it is seasoned with chili, garlic, and spices. It is not only a side dish, but also a symbol of Korean culture and identity. Bratwurst. Germany. Bratwurst sausages have been a beloved part of German cuisine since the 14th century. They are traditionally made from pork, beef, or veal and seasoned with regional spices. Today, bratwurst is enjoyed at festivals, barbecues, and Oktoberfest celebrations worldwide. Pad Thai. Thailand. Pad Thai was introduced as Thailand's national dish in the mid-20th century to promote national identity and local cuisine. Made with stir-fried rice noodles, shrimp or chicken, eggs, peanuts, and tamarind sauce, it balances sweet, sour, and savory flavors. Poutine. Canada. Poutine, a hearty dish of fries topped with cheese curds and rich gravy, was invented in Quebec in the 1950s. It quickly became a comfort food staple across Canada, symbolizing Quebecois culture. Today, poutine has spread worldwide, often adapted with creative toppings and flavors. Haggis. Scotland. Haggis, made from sheep organs mixed with oats and spices, is Scotland's national dish. It is famously celebrated every year on Burns Night in honor of poet Robert Burns. Biryani. Pakistan. Biryani is a fragrant rice dish with roots in Persian cuisine, later embraced and transformed in South Asia. It is typically made with basmati rice, meat or vegetables, and a blend of rich spices. Baklava. Turkey. Baklava, a sweet pastry made of thin layers of phyllo dough filled with nuts and sweetened with honey or syrup, has been part of Turkish cuisine for centuries. Its origins trace back to the Ottoman Empire, where it was often served in royal courts. Churrasco. Brazil. Churrasco, Brazil's famous barbecue tradition, features skewered cuts of meat grilled over open flames. It originated in the southern regions of Brazil, where gauchos, cowboys, cooked meat outdoors. Tom Yum soup. Thailand. Tom Yum is a traditional Thai hot and sour soup known for its bold, aromatic flavors. It's made with ingredients like lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, and chili. This iconic dish perfectly balances spicy, sour, and citrusy notes, representing Thai cuisine's essence. Feijoada. Brazil. Feijoada is a hearty black bean and pork stew regarded as Brazil's national dish. It originated from Portuguese traditions and was adapted with local Brazilian ingredients. Typically enjoyed with rice, greens, and orange slices, it's a symbol of comfort and community. How many food dishes did you guess correctly? Comment your score below and subscribe for more fun quizzes.